This video will show the steps I use to create custom window boxes for my house. The first step was to take some measurements of the windows to see how big the window boxes needed to be. Looks like 75.5 by about 7 to 8 inches. Nothing fancy about the design of the box. The bottom board has holes for drainage. The side boards screw to the sides of the bottom board, and then the end caps screw inside the box. Then we add plastic bins inside. I made this box design several times before using 1x8 pine with no plastic inner liners. The wood tends to rot in 5 to 6 years, and so this time I'm going to use red cedar and the plastic liners in hopes that the boxes last a long time. The red cedar is quite a bit more expensive than the pine 1x8s. Next, you're going to want to get some good quality primer and some exterior paint, and I also picked up some deck screws. The plastic inner liners brought the total up quite a bit as well, and so I've got a total of a little under $310 in the project, which is quite a lot more than I did when I built it out of pine.
So now I'm going to clean up the ends and then measure 75.5 inches, cut the back, the front, and the bottom, and then I'll measure for the inside on the ends.
Now I'm test fitting with the plastic liners. I actually ended up changing out these smaller plastic bins for some 36-inch bins after this. So at this point, the box is screwed together and I'm sanding and doing some finishing work. And you can see that I've added a center divider in between the black plastic bins. Here I'm going to be drilling the drain holes in the bottom as well. At this point, I disassembled the boxes and I put 3 coats of primer and 3 coats of the paint on the boxes in the disassembled state. After this, I reassembled the boxes and used some Flex Seal rubberized coating to coat the inside on the bottom and about 2 inches up the sides in hopes of keeping the rot down. The house had 2x6s underneath the windows for attaching window boxes, so all I had to do was attach some brackets underneath the windows and then set the boxes on the brackets and then screw through the boxes and into the 2x6. Thanks for watching my video, and if you liked it, hit the like button and think about subscribing so you can catch more of my projects.